Do you need to remove the heatsink from your Inspiron 16 Plus 7630? Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. I also recommend sorting your screws as you take apart your laptop. It'll make it that much easier during reassembly. Now a heads up, this model has two variants, one with integrated Intel graphics and one with discrete NVIDIA graphics. These both have unique heatsinks, and I will go over their removal right now. If your laptop has integrated Intel graphics, just unscrew and remove your heatsink. Now, if you have NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 or 4050 graphics, you will need to remove the cooling fans first. Disconnect the left cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Disconnect the right cooling fan and then unscrew and remove it. Then you can unscrew and remove your heatsink. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.